Breaking news, Thai language throws out half its words and sounds better. Hey there, amazing language learners. I'm Cody, and welcome back to another mind-blowing episode of Thai Like a Local. You know what? I was having coffee with my Thai friend Nim yesterday at a bustling café in Bangkok's Chatuchak market, and something incredible happened that I just had to share with you. Picture this, I'm pointing at this gorgeous handmade ceramic mug and saying, wow, it's beautiful. But it's expensive, so I think it's better if I don't buy it right now because it might break when I travel with it. Nim looks at me, smiles, and says something that made my jaw drop. She expressed the exact same idea, but guess what? She used half the words I did. And here's the kicker, she sounded way more natural and fluent than me. Breaking news alert, local woman speaks better English than native speaker using fewer words. Okay, maybe that's not quite right, but you get the idea. This got me thinking, what if I told you that Thai people have discovered something that English speakers are still struggling with? What if I told you there's a secret weapon that makes Thai sound like flowing water while English sometimes sounds like, well, like we're drowning in unnecessary words? Are you ready for this? Today, we're cracking the code on one of Thai's best kept secrets, and trust me, once you learn this, you'll never listen to Thai the same way again. Here's today's headline, The Great Thai Word Vanishing Act, How to Sound Like a Native by Saying Less. I'm talking about the mysterious case of the disappearing it. That little word that English speakers can't live without, but Thai speakers treat like an optional extra. It's like Thai speakers are linguistic magicians who can make words vanish into thin air, and somehow their sentences become more powerful, not less. Now, I know what you're thinking, Cody, how can saying fewer words make you sound better? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into this linguistic magic trick that will completely transform how you think about Thai and maybe even English. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why that friendly street vendor sounds so smooth and natural, why Thai conversations flow like beautiful music, and most importantly, how you can start sounding like a local instead of a textbook. We're going to explore real conversations, real situations, and I'll show you exactly when Thai speakers choose to use that magical word.
Man.
And when they make it disappear completely. Plus, I've got some insider secrets about how to use this knowledge to make your Thai sound incredibly polite and sophisticated. We're talking about techniques that even some Thai language teachers don't fully explain. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and prepare to have your mind blown. Today's journey will take us from Bangkok markets to polite dinner conversations, and by the time we're done, you'll be armed with one of the most powerful tools for sounding authentically Thai. Are you excited? Because I'm practically bouncing in my chair here. This is the kind of language insight that changes everything. Let's dive in and discover the mystery of the disappearing it, how Thai speakers make words vanish like magic. Ready? Here we go. The mystery of the disappearing it, how Thai speakers make words vanish like magic. Welcome back, language explorers. I'm Cody, and today we're diving into one of Thai's most fascinating tricks. Picture this, you walk into a Bangkok market, point at a beautiful silk scarf, and say in perfect English, it's gorgeous, but it's too expensive, so I won't buy it. The Thai vendor smiles and responds, but something sounds different. Where did all those its go? Welcome to today's adventure, the case of the missing it. How Thai makes language flow like water. The Thai it revolution. Here's the beautiful secret about Thai that'll blow your mind. Thai speakers are linguistic minimalists. While we English speakers love to stuff our sentences with it, Thai speakers have mastered the art of elegant omission. Meet your new friend.
Man.
In Thai, it is called
Man.
sounds like moon but with a shorter, crisper sound. Think of saying mum in quickly. But here's the kicker Thai speakers treat
Man.
like an optional accessory, not a necessity. It's like wearing a fancy watch, nice to have, but you can tell time without it. The magic of optional it. Rule number 1, less is more. Thai speakers drop
Man.
Whenever possible, creating sentences that flow like poetry. When they do include it's for emphasis, like underlining important words. Let's see this magic in action. Example 1, the expensive dilemma. Thai way.
แพงมากผมเลยไม่ซื้อ
Literal translation, expensive very, I so not buy. Natural English, it was really expensive, so I didn't buy it. Notice how Thai skips both it's that English demands.
แพงมากผมเลยไม่ซื้อ แพงมากผมเลยไม่ซื้อ แพงมากผมเลยไม่ซื้อ
Example 2, the reluctant shopper. Thai way.
ไม่อยากซื้อแพงเกินไป
With emphasis.
ไม่อยากซื้อมันแพงเกินไป
English, I don't want to buy it. It's too expensive.
ไม่อยากซื้อแพงเกินไป 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 ไม่อยากซื้อมันแพงเกินไป ไม่อยากซื้อมันแพงเกินไป ไม่อยากซื้อมันแพงเกินไป
Example 3, traffic observation. Thai way.
รถเยอะมาก
With emphasis.
รถมันเยอะมาก
English, there are so many cars, literally, cars very many.
รถเยอะมาก 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 รถมันเยอะมาก รถมันเยอะมาก รถมันเยอะมาก
Advanced. It. Placement, the flexibility dance. Here's where Thai gets really fun, you can slide
มัน
around your sentence like a chess piece. Example 4, the exchange mission. Option A.
จะเอาไปเปลี่ยน
Without.
มัน
Option B.
จะเอามันไปเปลี่ยน มัน
After object. English, I'm going to exchange it.
จะเอาไปเปลี่ยน 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 จะเอามันไปเปลี่ยน จะเอามันไปเปลี่ยน จะเอามันไปเปลี่ยน
Example 5, the song detective. Question.
เป็นเพลงไทยหรือเพลงฝรั่ง
With emphasis.
มันเป็นเพลงไทยหรือเพลงฝรั่ง
English, is it a Thai song or a Western song?
เป็นเพลงไทยหรือเพลงฝรั่ง 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 มันเป็นเพลงไทยหรือเพลงฝรั่ง มันเป็นเพลงไทยหรือเพลงฝรั่ง มันเป็นเพลงไทยหรือเพลงฝรั่ง
Answer.
เป็นเพลงไทย
Or with emphasis.
มันเป็นเพลงไทย
English, it's a Thai song.
เป็นเพลงไทย 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 มันเป็นเพลงไทย มันเป็นเพลงไทย มันเป็นเพลงไทย
The sophisticated. It. When politeness meets grammar. Now, let's explore the elegant side of Thai. It. When. It introduces entire thoughts and makes your speech sound incredibly polite and refined. The
ก็
connection. When
มัน
teams up with
ก็
magic happens.
ก็
Is like adding a gentle cushion to your statements, making them sound less direct and more thoughtful. Example 6, the perfect timing compliment. Direct version.
ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลา
English, it's very good that you came on time.
ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลา ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลา ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลา
Example 7, the diplomatic suggestion. Polite version.
ก็ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลาแต่ไม่ต้องเช้าขนาดนี้ก็ได้
English, it's great that you came on time, but you didn't need to come quite this early. See how?
ก็
Makes the suggestion sound like a gentle observation rather than criticism?
ก็ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลาแต่ไม่ต้องเช้าขนาดนี้ก็ได้ ก็ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลาแต่ไม่ต้องเช้าขนาดนี้ก็ได้ ก็ดีมากที่คุณมาทันเวลาแต่ไม่ต้องเช้าขนาดนี้ก็ได้
More real-life examples. Example 8, the weather report. Thai.
วันนี้ร้อนมาก
With emphasis.
วันนี้มันร้อนมาก
English, it's very hot today.
วันนี้ร้อนมาก 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 วันนี้มันร้อนมาก วันนี้มันร้อนมาก วันนี้มันร้อนมาก
Example 9, the delicious discovery. Thai.
อร่อยจัง
With emphasis.
มันอร่อยจัง
English, it's so delicious.
อร่อยจัง 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 มันอร่อยจัง มันอร่อยจัง มันอร่อยจัง
Example 10, the difficulty complaint. Thai.
ยากเกินไป
With emphasis.
มันยากเกินไป
English, it's too difficult.
ยากเกินไป 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 มันยากเกินไป มันยากเกินไป มันยากเกินไป
Pro tips for mastering Thai. It. Start simple, begin by dropping.
มัน
Entirely, you'll sound more natural. Add for emphasis, use.
มัน
When you want to stress something important. Position flexibility, remember.
มัน
Can move around, experiment. Listen to the flow, Thai values smooth, flowing speech over grammatical completeness. Practice the disappearing act, try translating English sentences by removing unnecessary its. Your language journey continues. Congratulations, language warriors. You've just unlocked one of Thai's most elegant secrets. You now understand why Thai conversations sound so fluid and natural. It's because Thai speakers have mastered the art of saying more with less. Remember, learning Thai isn't just about memorizing rules, it's about embracing a completely different way of thinking about language. Every time you drop an unnecessary,
มัน
you're not just speaking Thai, you're thinking Thai. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, in Thai, sometimes the most powerful words are the ones you don't say. Your journey to speaking like a local has just taken a giant leap forward. Next time we meet, we'll explore another fascinating aspect of Thai that will transform your speaking skills. Until then, go forth and let your its disappear into the beautiful flow of Thai conversation. Happy learning, and see you in our next adventure. Wow! What an incredible journey we just took together. I hope your mind is absolutely buzzing with excitement right now, because what we just discovered is pure linguistic gold. Let me quickly recap this game-changing lesson for you. We uncovered the secret that makes Thai speakers sound so amazingly natural and fluent. It's all about the art of elegant simplification, knowing when to include certain words and when to let them gracefully disappear. Think about it. While English speakers often feel the need to fill every grammatical space, Thai speakers have mastered something beautiful. They've learned that sometimes saying less actually makes you sound more sophisticated, more natural, and more like a true local. We explored how this magical word can be completely optional, how it can move around sentences like a dance, and how adding it creates emphasis when you really want to make a point. We even discovered how combining it with other gentle words can make your speech sound incredibly polite and refined, the kind of politeness that opens doors and wins hearts in Thailand. But here's the most important thing, this isn't just about grammar rules. This is about thinking differently, feeling the rhythm of the language, and understanding the Thai mindset. When you master this concept, you're not just learning words, you're learning how Thai people actually think and express themselves. Now, I want you to do something crucial for your success. Don't just watch this once and move on. This is the kind of lesson that gets better every single time you experience it. I'm serious. Listen to this episode again tomorrow, then again next week. Each time, you'll catch something new, understand something deeper, and feel more confident. Practice makes permanent, not just perfect. The more you absorb this natural flow, the more it becomes part of your Thai thinking brain. Before you know it, you'll be naturally creating these elegant, flowing sentences without even thinking about it. You know what? Creating content like this takes enormous time, energy, and passion. I pour my heart into every episode because I believe in you. I believe in your ability to speak Thai beautifully and naturally. But I need to know you're with me on this journey. Your support is what keeps this dream alive. When you engage with our content, when you share your progress, when you tell me these lessons are helping you, that's what motivates me to keep creating, keep exploring, and keep bringing you the very best Thai language insights. So here's my heartfelt request. If you're serious about mastering Thai, if you dream of visiting Thailand and speaking like a local, if you want to connect with Thai culture on a deep level, then please become part of our amazing community. Hit that follow button right now. Smash that subscribe button. And here's the most important part, turn on those notifications by pressing that little bell icon. Why? Because every episode builds on the last one, and I don't want you to miss a single breakthrough moment in your Thai journey. When you subscribe and ring that bell, you're not just following a channel, you're joining a family of passionate learners who support each other and celebrate every victory together. Your Thai fluency dreams are within reach. Let's make them happen together. See you in our next amazing adventure.
Like a local, like a local.